Here we are, guys. So I did a refrigerated VW Caddy for a Canadian company, centered, dash cam in the middle. Now the fun part starts. So with a refrigerated van, the box is very sealed. So we go under the car, front camera runs up, down the A-pillar driver's side, we come down through the floor, factory grommet, come back up from the back of the rear of the car, there's a rubber grommet, tail light up to the top grommet, camera's here. And now let's just show you this. So we go to the back, open her up. No wire shown. Through the grommet. Fully sealed. Cameras here. Sorry about the fire truck. There she is. The only bit of cable you'll see is that bit running to the roof lining. Let's get it. Sorry about the light. Woohoo! Another one done.